Hello kids, welcome to our spin book lesson. Now please be ready with your spin students books and spin workbook and with your pencil please. We will check our homework, then we will continue doing our book. Okay, this is page number 72. You know that was your homework, so we are gonna check our homework very quickly, very fast, then we will continue doing our lessons through spin book. Let's do it. Number 1 is done for you. There are some words here. Can you see the words? You know these words: car race, champion, crash, spaceship, team and wheels. Okay, number 1 is done for you. This is champion, and there you can see. Can you see number 2? There are 2 cars. They are broken, as you see. This is, what is that? This is, crash. And number 3, these are wheels. And number 4 is, what do you think it is? Of course you know, spaceship. And these are members of a team, right? They represent the same team. Let's check. Yeah. And this is very nice. I hope you like it. Car race. If I can bring it. Yes, amazing. So let's go the other. Complete the table about you and your partner. This is about you. Okay, you are going to write something about you. This is about you. I will check this on your books one by one, then I will let you know if you have any mistakes, if there are some parts that should be corrected. So I will check and I will give you the answers at the weekend. Okay, how often do you play video games, blah blah. And for example, how often do you play video games? Actually, I don't like playing video games, so I rarely play video games. And what is your favorite website? I don't have any favorite website. What songs do you download? I never download a song. What video games can't you stand? I can't stand you know, war video games and the video games that people are killing each other. I don't like them. What do you use the internet for? Actually, I use the internet for giving you some extra information about the structures, the grammar, the topics that you learned so far. I'm using the internet for that mostly, or sometimes I search for something I am curious about. This is it. Okay, so how many computers are there in your house? Actually, I have 3 computers in my house, but there is only 1 working. Okay, so you can answer these questions like this. Let's do this. My favorite video games is a car racing game called Speed. You can use this part as an example for the previous example. Do you prefer watching TV to surfing the internet? Okay, I can stand video games. I prefer video games to board games. Who is your favorite video game character? That was, I did this like this. Who's your favorite video game character? And I prefer seeing films at the cinema to downloading them. Yes. Okay, so let's go. Read this computer game reviews and find and correct 8 spelling mistakes. Okay, let's do them. So designed, you know, you have to put G here. And fun, this is not written like this. Beginning, you should write beginning with double N. Choose should be written with double O's. Careful should be written only 1 L. Lose should be written only one O, and entertaining, it is not written with E. Okay, so write a review of your favorite computer game. Use this plan to help you. Say what your favorite computer game is. Say what happens at the beginning of the game. Say what happens after that. Say what happens at the end of the game. Say why you prefer playing this computer game to playing other computer games. Okay, you can check from here. It started like this. Computer games are very popular with young people. My favorite computer game is called Super Riders, blah blah. You can write like that. Let's write it. The computer games are, I hate this one. Games are very popular for the young kids. We can start like this. So say what your favorite computer game is, and adults means women, men, okay, as well means two. I can say my favorite computer game is Zuma. It is old game, you know I am old. In paragraph to say what happens at the beginning of the game. At the beginning of the game there are colorful balls coming. Oh, come on. Coming from a hole, and you are trying to put the same 3 or more balls to bomb them. To prevent them going into the other hole. If you finish all the balls before they enter the hole, you win. If you finish all the balls before they enter the hole, you win. If you can't, if you don't, sorry, you lose your hearts and start over. Say why you prefer playing this computer game to playing other computer games. It is I prefer this game to others because this is innocent. We don't kill anybody. You can write this if you didn't write anything, okay? So this is okay. Okay, if you understand, let's go back. Unit menu. So we finished this part. You can stop the video and write what you want to write for the reading part and finish it. Okay, so I think we finished unit 10, lesson 3 in unit 10. Let's go to students book. See, we finished all of these pages. Do you remember here and here? You remember that we finished here? Okay, so let's go back to unit 11. Okay, let's make a start. Very nice picture. What do you see in the picture? Where do you think this place is? Who is she? What is this? I think this is the fastest train, right? I think this is Japan. She's, I think, a geisha, I don't know. And there's an information here. The Shinkansen or bullet trains of Japan. Bullet. What do you think bullet is? I think the boys know the meaning of bullet. Bullet trains of Japan. They are fast, safe and comfortable way to travel. The trains can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers. Oh my god, okay. The Shinkansen that runs between Tokyo and Osaka, the two largest cities in Japan, carries between 150 and 200 million passengers. Passengers mean yolcu, okay? Yolcu. Can you imagine that? In a 1 year, this train, a lot of people, 150 or 200 million people are traveling by these bullet trains. Okay, so let's go. Let's do some other things. So okay, I will first give you the vocabulary. Okay, words to learn. Please write this vocabulary in your notebooks 5 times and please check for the meaning. Look up the dictionary for the meaning and please repeat.
Aisle, check-in desk, coach, means of transport,
Repeat.
metro, motorbike, passenger, seat, seat belt, window seat, adventurous, comfortable, frightening, wonder.
Aisle means that when you get on the bus, do you know there are some seats here on the right and on the left. There are some seats. You sit here, the other seat here, and there is a blank. There is a hole here. It is aisle. Okay. Okay. So this is maybe you don't know it. Repeat again.
Aisle,
Repeat.
aisle,
Okay. Check-in desk means that when you for example, when you're at an airport or in a train station, when you have the ticket, you go with your ticket to the man or woman and they check your tickets and say, okay, this is your ticket, this is your name, this is your flight, or this is your train. Okay, this is check-in desk. Okay, so these are the, the adventures, it comes from adventure, frightening, wonder. Okay, I will explain the meanings of these words later because I have to finish the lesson now. Please write this vocabulary in your notebooks 5 times. Look up the dictionary for their meanings. For the next lesson, I think we will be having the lessons through the Zoom lessons for spin books with as a teacher. I will have our word book with you as I do before. So see you in our Zoom lessons by